Asobot kobwa bono sense meyega asebikaro bunge ya seneta nigorero bakwanire igoro ye Equalization Fund chibesa ba seneta bate Obobagi bwaye tibori boronge korengana no seneta we county ya Uasin Gishu Jackson Mandago asenkwane ayo seneta we county Elgeyo Marakwet William Kisanga nigate biruna ECHIO tichiri osebe ECHIO TICHIRAIKERANIA EKERENGA keria chiganiri we EKERENGA KORENG'ANA nabarabu.
Honorable Speaker, I'm looking at the resource allocation, and we would like CRA to relook into the formula of allocating these resources, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, if you look at a county like Elgeyo Marakwet County, Honorable Speaker, the total allocation is 87 million, Honorable Speaker. And Marakwet West has been allocated only 9 million. Marakwet East has been allocated 87 million. KIAYE South has been allocated 9 million. Considering that Elgeyo Marakwet County is among the counties that receive the least revenue. In fact, it is among the 10 counties that this Honorable House made a decision to allow for some affirmative action in the revenue sharing, Honorable Speaker, in order to allow those counties to have some semblance of equitable resources to develop their counties. When I look at the way these resources have been allocated, there is skewedness in the allocation of resources, Honorable Speaker. That kind of disparity, Honorable Speaker, in a county cannot be explained. The demarcation of our counties, the elimination of boundaries, Honorable Speaker, considered so many factors, including the geographical area, population, and so forth. I want to request that the Commission for Revenue Allocation reconsiders the formula they are using to allocate these resources, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, if you look...
The reason why Equalization Fund was set up under the new constitution, Honorable Speaker, was to ensure that those particular counties or sublocations are CRA has classified that are not, in terms of development are still below, requires to be given an affirmative action so that they can catch up with the rest of the country, Honorable Speaker. I want to note that it's unfortunate that CRA is still using the second policy that was approved in 2018. And if you check, Honorable Speaker, Elgeyo Marakwet County is really still very low. What the allocation that we have been given, just about 105 million. And Elgeyo Marakwet County is one of the 12 marginalized counties that are getting share of revenue that is below 6 billion. And you know the reason why for this particular Equalization Fund, Honorable Speaker, is to ensure we have affirmative action. We ensure those counties that are still below in terms of development are farmed up so that they